The solar-powered explosion-proof LED indicator light from Larson Electronics is a reliable lighting solution for remote areas and standalone applications where connection to external power is either impractical or unavailable. This 7-watt indicator lamp offers 360 degrees of illumination and is protected by a cage guard. The control box is equipped with either a day-night sensor and motion sensor or with an on and off switch. This solar-powered LED indicator light is constructed of cast aluminum with a polyester powder-coated finish. This fixture is a sustainable LED steady-burned lighting solution for hazardous locations and remote sites. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.